Hi, everyone. I'm Adam Clemens. I'm the Digital Humanities and Data Visualization Librarian at the University of Mississippi Libraries. Today, we're going to be talking about creating data visualizations with Tableau. So to begin with, what is Tableau? Simply put, it's an interactive data visualization tool that allows you to analyze raw data. The emphasis here is really on the interactive component. For anyone who might have used something like Excel, for instance, to create basic visualizations such as bar charts and line charts, this software will allow you to create more interactive visualizations. Why would you use Tableau in addition to the interactive component? It's a really easy to use interface. The click, drag, and drop interface is highly accessible, and it doesn't require any sort of coding or programming language, such as chat software like SAS or programmatic options such as R or Python, which do require some more advanced skills. Tableau is highly accessible. Some of the strengths of Tableau, there is a free version, which we will be using today in this demonstration. There also is a paid version, which has a few more features. The interfaces themselves are exactly the same, but the paid version has more file options. It allows you to save locally as opposed to the cloud. And it also has unlimited rows. The public version has a limitation of approximately 15 million rows. And also, because of the nature of saving to the cloud using the public version, you may consider the premium version, what's called Tableau Desktop, if you're using sensitive data and you do not want that to be accessible or visible to the public at large. But again, the ease of use is all the same. The interfaces between the two are identical. And it also, regardless of which version you're using, you can change the data, manipulate the data within the tool without impacting or changing the data from the original source. In other words, you could export an Excel file into Tableau, update that data within Tableau, and the original Excel file would remain the same. With the sort of introduction out of the way, the remainder of this short video will focus on, first of all, getting started with Tableau, and that includes creating an account, and secondly, connecting to the data. We'll be using some sample data provided on the Tableau library guide, which will be linked in this video as well. I'll also include navigating the interface, so an introduction or orientation to Tableau's interface, and then we'll get started creating some of the more common visualizations, such as a bar chart, pie chart, line chart, as well as a GIS map. Okay, so with that said, I'm going to jump out now to my browser. And if you're following along, go ahead and navigate to Tableau Public. And you should see this. You want the Tableau Public : Discover. If you haven't already, the first thing you need to do is navigate over to the sign in option. I currently have an account, but if I did not have an account, I would just need to create an account with Tableau. I'm gonna go ahead and do this. And that'll get us started with Tableau. Okay, so now that you have hopefully created your account, your Tableau account, which is necessary, obviously, to use Tableau, we want to go ahead and start creating visualizations, or at least navigate to the Tableau interface so that we can begin creating visualizations. In order to do that, you're going to want to navigate over to the create icon here. You'll notice a couple of options. The web authoring option is effectively the browser-based version of Tableau Public. And then you can also download the Tableau Desktop Public Edition. So this is, again, the free version of Tableau Public, just in a downloaded form. I'm going to opt to use the downloaded version. That's what I have installed on my machine currently. If you did choose to use the web authoring version, there are very, very minor differences with the interface. But in terms of connecting the data and things of that nature, more or less the same. I'll try to point out some of those differences as they occur to me, but I'm going to use, again, the downloaded version.